Well. Good morning, team. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. Today is Monday morning. Let's go ahead and get busy here at Mr. Full Profit. Our job here is to make sure that we watch everything that's happening. So far, we have pre-market that's already up. Let's go ahead and take a look at CNBC. What's happening? We have great news. McDonald's quarter pounder is back on to return to the menu. Okay, so that's a good thing. And also, team, we have the Nasdaq that hit all-time high even amid poor earning growth. Okay, so that's a wonderful thing as well. So, team, we are here again at Mr. Full Profit. This is what we do. We are here trying to make sure that we look at what's happening in the market on a daily basis. And also, I know I have some few comments regarding my monitors. Just to be clear, I use all my monitors for like 1 minute day trading. So each monitor represent one 2 minute chart. So I don't have to keep clicking on windows back and forth just to make it clear. Everybody has their own way of trading. If you want to keep going back and forth, but for me, every second count, like Wall Street. You know, I don't like to miss opportunities by not looking at different things. So, just to give a little heads up, let's look at SPY ETF. Okay, S&P SPY ETF, the 1 minute chart. Team, as you can see here, let me go ahead and put it for you guys. My 2 minute chart. We are in the money already for the 2 minutes with the 2 minute chart. That's kind of interesting that with the way the market is going, we are still bullish. Okay, so our next high is 584. Right now, we're heading for the home run. Okay, the moving average have already crossed the 200, the 50 moving average. So that means that we're in an upside position. So the market is bullish right now. It's green. If you guys are holding on to your stock right now. But the one thing I wanted to bring up, team, is I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and get it closer. Is Bitcoin and coin. Okay, those are my major watch that I'm gonna be doing, because yesterday, as I was watching coin, it seemed like it wasn't a consolidation, but it was in an uptrend move. So let me go ahead and just open my, you see I use different platforms for different strokes. Okay, what's going on here with Bitcoin? Bitcoin, as you guys can see, is still on the bullish side. It's still consolidated, but if you look above the moving average, it's looking good. All right, so we still consolidating, is above the moving average, so that's a good sign. Let me see, 50. Okay, wonderful. It's tight. Okay, excellent. So let's do a quick breakdown with the Thinkorswim watch list. Let's go over. I'm sorry. Let's go over today earnings. Let's look at what's happening here with today earnings on Finviz. If you guys want me to break down more for Finviz, how to look for some stocks, how to put some indicators on options, I'm just gonna look at optional today, just options. We have, let's go down the list. Let me see what we have today. That might be interesting to trade. Ford is coming out with their earning. Ford doesn't move that much, but nothing major for me on that watch list today. Waste Management and Ford, those are the only two that I see that that's really on a great move today. But team, let's pay attention to SPY real quick, ETF, okay, before I leave you guys and with this early breakdown. As you guys know, right now the market is in an upside position. If I'm looking at all my screens, my 2 minute, my 5 minute, my 10 minutes, everything is looking sharp in an upside position. So I strongly believe that the market might stay bullish. Let's see how the news came. McDonald came out with some great news. So let's keep an eye going. Okay, team, this is what's really important when it comes to trading, because I receive some few comments from how do you know which way if I should buy or sell? First of all, if you look at this daily chart, right, as soon as the stock is above that 200 moving average, which is the red line, right, and the blue line is the 50, okay, that's what most investors are using, traders, Wall Street is using on their when they're monitoring a stock. That means that the S&P is healthy, okay, is in an upside. Just want to make it clear, not because the candle is red that means that the stock the stock or the ETF is not bullish. Now it could always hit all-time high and do a pullback, okay, which right now the high is 583, but right now as we talking at this moment, the stock, the ETF pre-market is about 583, around that range. So we need to make sure that we break above 586 to make sure that we know that it hits all-time high again and keep staying bullish. It might stay consolidated, we don't know. So what I usually do, I put a draw line up to here, and what I'll do as well, and I'll put a draw line on top of here, which my low end is gonna be 576. So I have a zone that I'm watching right now. It could be few days, it doesn't matter, but since I'm a day trader, like I always tell you, all my 1 minute, 2 minute screens, I'm a day trader scalping. So later on today, I'm gonna have all these screen filled in with different stocks under 2 minutes. So as soon as any of them give me an opportunity, then I will take it, okay, as well. So that's what we have here. So the one that we're gonna be watching today is Google. Google, I believe that they have earnings tomorrow. Google have earnings tomorrow. You see, beautiful. Google did a pullback. Now guess what? As a matter of fact, it did a pullback and it went consolidation. So now I'm just waiting for the blow. I'm not sure from earning. Let me see if we look at here. Earnings is 1029, which is tomorrow. So we have to see if we give a uptrend today. Tomorrow it might be a big gap running. So we have to be aware, especially on the 1 minute chart. I believe the earnings at 3:30 tomorrow p.m. Central Time. So 3:30 Central Time. So we just have to be diligent. We have CRM. I like the way it is. It is staying. It's already bullish. Again, I feel like he did a pullback consolidation. Once it curve, MACD on the weekly chart is already green. So all you gotta wait for is a breakout and just keep running. That's it. Okay. Tesla. It's already bullish. We just waiting for that breakthrough of 271. If it breaks through 271, which I believe it will, it probably will, we just got to keep riding it. As a matter of fact, right now it's going sideways when it comes to pre-market. Nothing major. It's only 4:59, 5 a.m. Okay, so nothing is really moving, but we got to keep an eye closely on Tesla as well for today. Okay, now let's do something else. Let's look at the pre-market for the penny stock. I know there is a lot of penny stock lovers. I gotta give you guys a little bit of everything here at Mr. Full Profit. This is my other platform. As you guys see, I have different platforms that I use all the time. So again, I'm gonna go to my market, see what's going on the pre-market. So wow, PXDT 137. So let's look at PXDT, what's going on. Nothing major is going on with the stock, but it's already up 137%. So that must have been since yesterday on Friday. I mean, nothing really, nothing really interesting on those penny stock today. Not yet. Not yet. Not as of now. Okay. So, team, we don't have too much. It's just a quick breakdown of what we're gonna be looking at for today. ETFs are always the best way to make money on a daily basis. SPY, QQQ, mini, micro, ES, futures, all those. Those are the best way for all my scalpers that they know exactly what I'm talking about. That's how we eat. You know, there is no need to go crazy. If the stock go the opposite direction, we just load up on the ETF and we just get going. That's it. All right, team. Let me go ahead and close out the chat. Good luck today on your trade, and we are here. And let's pay attention and best of luck. I'll see you guys later. Thank you.